Oil pulling is an Indian practice in which oil is swished around in the mouth to kill bacteria and also improve oral health. The oil used for the purpose is either coconut oil, sesame oil, or olive oil. It can help in whitening your teeth and freshening your breath as well. Some studies shows that it can also treat several other diseases like stimulate your digestion, detoxify your body, boost immunity, boost metabolism. Benefits of oil pulling. Oil pulling reduce bad breath, kill harmful bacteria, prevent cavities, reduce inflammation and improve gum health. You don't have to spend money on the oil as it is already an ingredient used in your kitchen. Method. Take 1 tablespoon of oil, swish it around in your mouth for about 5 to 15 minutes, but do not swallow it. It might be hard for you in the beginning, so start with 5 minutes, then 10 minutes or 15 minutes, etc. When you are done, spit the oil into the thrush. Rinse your mouth thoroughly with water and brushing. Oil pulling is very easy to perform. Repeat 3 to 4 times per week for better results.